coolest thing ever.
You guessed it, we're in Colorado.
It's getting windy, if you can tell by my hair, tell by Megan's hair. We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience.
We're about 23 minutes out from the entrance of Rocky Mountain National Park, and we are so excited. And this drive is just honestly incredible. Honestly, the video does not do it justice, but we are just on this crazy, awesome road that's basically driving in and out of mountains, and it's kind of incredible. Yeah, so we are super excited. Today, we're just thinking we're gonna drive through the whole park and kind of do some pull-offs. It's supposed to be the best weather day, but we also aren't acclimated, so we're just trying to not, you know, get altitude sickness. Weird.
Well, first impressions.
I'm crying a little bit at how beautiful this is. It's just incredible.
It really is incredible. Just
Videos and pictures just don't do it justice.
no, I'm just speechless. Look at this.
Windy.
It is windy indeed. Behind us, we have all the snowmelt running off. Here's the rainbow outlook. Beautiful pull off. I think it just gets more and more beautiful the more you go up.
It's usually how mountains work. Where people climb them. Yes, I'm being snarky.
Just a marmot chilling.
Another pull off.
Tidbit windy. The last sign said that it could get to gusts of 100 miles an hour up here. And I believe it. Guys, we have a first. This is so exciting. There's a moose. Megan's got her big lens out. Got to post some pictures. It's so cool. We've never seen a moose before. This is awesome.
I've seen a moose.
I haven't seen a moose before. Round 2. There are 7 elk this time. Guys, it's happened again. More elk this time. They're standing.
So, there were gusts of like 50-mile-an-hour winds last night. We did not sleep very much. It's 5 in the morning. So we're gonna get up, head into Rocky Mountain National Park, and hope that there's enough caffeine to sustain us.
50-mile-an-hour winds are very, very loud.
It sounds like a freight train was coming, and then our tent would just rumble.
It's the game plan right there. And with that, lake number 1.
Do you remember the name of it? It's Nymph Lake.
Nymph Lake. Yeah. Had no help at all.
You know what the second lake is called?
Whatever comes after Nymph.
Oh my god.
I glanced at the sign. The game playing right there. It just keeps getting more and more and more beautiful. And the most beautiful view of all.
You're too. He's lying.
This is Dream Lake, which is weird because in my dreams it wasn't as windy. It was calm. So I think I had the wrong dream.
This is slowly turning into a nightmare.
But it still is pretty with the mountains in the background. It's just very windy. Emerald Lake.
Mostly frozen.
Mostly frozen from, what was it, last week?
Not quite as frozen.
But even frozen, she's still pretty beautiful.
What'd you just tell me?
I don't want to go home.
And this is why.
We finally found a bull moose. He's in the lake eating the vegetation on the bottom. And we have a young elk. He's doing something.
How many laps has he taken so far?
About 6. So there's a lot of elk. Like a lot of big elk. It's so cool.
Oh my gosh. I'm having a heart attack. This guy.
Can you imagine coming out of the bathroom right there and just seeing that moose?
You're just
Or the elk? Like, can you imagine?
Oh, my God, chills. It's so cool.